In today's video, I'm going to teach you turn off all email notifications. If your inbox is overflowing with messages from Seeking Alpha and you're ready to stop them completely, this walkthrough will show you the quickest, most reliable way to unsubscribe across the board. We'll do this on a desktop browser so you can see all the settings clearly. First, log into your account on a desktop computer. The full desktop site gives you access to every preference page, and it's less likely to hide options behind compact menus. Make sure you're signed into the account that's receiving the emails you want to stop, especially if you've used more than one account in the past. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. It may appear as your photo, your initials, or a small avatar. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with links to your account and notification settings. From that menu, select Manage Emails and Alerts. This takes you to the central hub for all communication preferences, including newsletters, breaking news, price alerts, and author updates. It's the place where you can adjust individual items, or, as we'll do today, switch everything off at once. Once you're on that page, navigate to the General Settings tab or the Newsletters tab. Depending on the current layout, the global control may appear in either area, but both tabs lead you to the section that controls overall email delivery. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and click the Unsubscribe button to disable all emails. Think of this as a master kill switch. It overrides individual toggles and stops newsletters and alerts from being sent. The button may be labeled unsubscribe from all emails or something similar, and you might see a brief confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. If you only wanted to reduce the volume, you could return later and re-enable specific newsletters, but for a complete stop, this single button is all you need. After you click, look for a success message on the page, and over the next day, watch your inbox for a confirmation. Because some messages are scheduled in advance, a few may slip through for a short time, but they should taper off quickly. If emails continue beyond a day or two, revisit the same page to ensure the unsubscribe setting is still active and that you're signed into the correct account. And that's it. You've turned off all email notifications from Seeking Alpha in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take back control of your inbox.